And I think ko US in your state ire produce ma president maigi hari ma president makoretwo namo.
Absolutely. You should have the numbers, the tyranny. Yes.
Texas is Texas.
No ko murata Victoria wetagwo Edro IMG. Edirie muda. Odoko. Yes. Arĩa ngĩ nao meka ũndũ kau no ngaru andũ akũrĩa Washington. Yes. Washington District of Columbia. DC. Yes.
DC.
Yeah.
Ine.
Rĩu go andũ a Texas rĩ. Mana andũ a mũrima. Ara ithanginya hau. Yoro igua rĩrĩ. Andũ a Kiambu. Marauga tibao cio mũrima.
Mayo region yao.
Yes. Well, ti andũ a Kiambu marauga.
Ti andũ. Nĩ wega tũtheria hau ti mũingĩ wa Kiambu.
Because most of us actually reside there.
Yes. Kuga nĩ andũ rĩ. Is misrepresenting facts.
Yes.
Nĩ atongoria na ti atongoria aingĩ. Nĩ gakundi ka atongoria meho.
Tũtaru andũ a Mũrang'a ti Kang'ata. Kang'ata nĩ mũtongoria wa andũ kĩ?
A Mũrang'a. There's a difference.
There's a very clear difference. Yes.
Rĩu ndũngiuga atĩ nĩ andũ a Kiambu marauga. Andũ matiugĩte. Nĩ atongoria amwe a.
Yes, Kiambu marendekithia Kiambu ikarie as a region. Never mind even Kiambu, a big chunk of the region are people who came.
No, they are immigrants.
Immigrants,
quote and quote.
Literally. Because like a proper chunk of Murang'a's assets are in Kiambu. Yes.
Nikio twaugire rĩu acio marauga ũguo rĩ.
Yes.
He maũndũ maingĩ mũno they are not alive to.
Yes, and they need to be schooled a little.
Those dynamics.
They need to be schooled by the people who have.
Yeah, they need to.
Yes. You see, you need to analyze Kiambu a lot.
Yes.
Because there's a time Kiambu did not have that tyranny of numbers.
So before you jump with the numbers and everything,
why is that getting excited?
First of all, analyze the numbers.
Yes. And look at the pattern.
Yes.
Yes. And the demographic growth and the relativities and the relevances of the numbers that be Kiambu. Yes. Kuri agitengera na kuri riu ni kuingi handu kwiyikari
sio rahisi.
Yes,
sio rahisi.
Sini namna hiyo.
You are more powerful when you are together.
It is true. There is power in numbers and being together. When you are, you know, neta Duraku, when they in a colony, they are much more stronger. Yes, yani. Iko namna hiyo. That's what they are do. Yeye kadia.
Mwenao.
Wako ni ruda hapo.
Hebu ongea kwako.
Kwako ni hapo Muthaiga.
Ongea yako.
Ndoiro ndani ni sisi tuko hizo mara hii. Akenya ni makinyi handu makimenya atiri. No one owns us.
No one.
We know whose people we are.
Adu kama une mathirire.
There's a generation who will not even sell fear. O ati andu meragwo atene ati o waigua gukirwo atiriri ati mwana ya no thamaki. There is a generation who will not tell that. So tell you so what.
Guo cio riu matikagura.
Hapana. And a generation ndio ndiri haraihu no tongoria.
It's just like a decade away.
Yes, yes. Aria mahauragwo atiriri. Uthamaki mutware iria. And people used to be genuinely scared about nothing.
Generation roka ri. Mau ni maundu mataka, they would not buy those narratives.
They would. Tusi wakora mundu. Aciarirwo Nyagatugu, akathomera kuo, akarerwo kuo akathomera kuo, na akaikania kuo no kuo ruta biacara. No athoire Odinga piu uri atari ona.
matari makuruhana
aja tumeneng'ania gaki na ndũrĩ hiyo sasa hiyo
slowly by slowly
yes
naenda ikididimia
and that works for both sides the opposition and the government people are not people are brighter yes
obothiri tariu andu muthi matiano na mahana miaka 10 mithiru so na miaka 10 iguka ri will be brighter
na niturambire turethikania andu ati and we are still not mincing our words gutiri wave gathurwo no nayo 2027
forget it
yes
forget it
hiyo mambo ya wave yes watu watachagua kazi
na mtu binafsi
yes kwa hivyo wewe kama hujatoa kazi anza kufuga
firago
kufuganya
hata ujiweke kwa ile shama itakuwa popular
yes watu wataangalia kule juu watashikanisha na chini sababu hiyo makosa tumefanya mara mingi
sana
you know I think there are like 2 or 3 elections people did not even know their MCA
mathi ya mahurite oguo thuti
shoot yes hiyo suit hiyo
gea thuti ri might not repeat
might take a sabbatical for that matter yes
unless kiundu very drastic kira itarona
asa ni andu aria me utongoini riu marute wira wira guo ni ukerwirira ni ukauge njikite na ni uroneka yes
na by the way ri ndugeciria ati twina matuko maingi muno matigaru
atakire maingi
we are now that we are in that day
yes
angikorwo wigiti-ini gia guthurwo na by now ndurureka kaundu substantial
gudu ukoretwo we especially a perennial problem ugasolve you should be very afraid
tondu tiu tuthiete miaka 3 ni kuga wina less than 1 year ya kuruta wira
yes
tondu riu ngiikia ritho ria kuhana nginya kibururi-ini
yes
ni kama campaign imeanza kunukia
no imeanza kunukia
riu aikondu ri kaundu iki ti ongirugamia ri
yes
ndirona wina mahinda maingi matigaru
no agenda ikanyingi cia kwambatia thogithi
thogithi wabati ukorwo wambatĩtie ona kũu last year na rĩu maumĩrĩra makanjia kuoneka mwaka ũyũ
absolutely yes people will not vote the way they usually vote especially the Legion na nĩ research twĩkĩte yes
na prediction citũ cia gĩciaca nyingĩ itihĩtagia
itihĩtagia gũtirĩ mũndũ ũkanyihĩrwo nĩ andũ mĩcemanio-inĩ they will be there but they will say
ambore tũkwaũre
okay yes
rĩu guo kugaga
tukutane wapi Wadebe na arĩa nao marenda gũkĩ offset arĩa meho is not going to be a cheap campaign nayo utawekarea
tondu kwanja ũhoro wa thari
tha icio nĩ cirambire rĩu
tha ndikuona iki waki this time
don't come to tell them you are background they will look at you now
nĩ ũrĩa Joyce wa mama araugire
yes
nĩ umũkani ũrĩa ũrenda kaende
sana and this is free advice for free
kapsa
free consultation and then mwazo dikeria mwe plando ini na akonde na sunroof trade in
weather in a sunroof
yes heka oduga sunroof yes
ningĩ ndũngĩcomoka sunroof wariria andu
ucoke huthu uthiete
ucoke omere mwathani akimurathime
you are not a missionary of charity we are not obligated to listen to
you
or you are narrative so you have to oil the wheels
nikuo tuga kubanga wira
Na utie rota the expenses. Na kugutie to kuhakana. Utie rota the ke?
Expenses.
Yes.
Ni gubanga wira.
Ona please them Donald Trump. Ni ahuthirie kigina kiega. Akiria kiatia?
Hapange wira.
Namna hiyo.
Namna hiyo.
Sisi kazi itapagwa. Yes.
Na si tutakuwa huku. Mungu akitujalia.
Kwa hiyo ni wewe kuingirio vaci-inĩ ĩrĩa hayati Yesu ya Yesu anakĩo kĩrĩnyaga na gĩakane mwaki.
Nĩ wĩra ũgũkorwo ũrutĩire rwĩmbo rũu.
If you want to be put in the verses of songs like Tangaria imaga na igũrũ kwĩ Ngai.
Mauma kwenda-inĩ kwa andũ.
All right.
Now you know.
You are aware. You are put on notice.
Yeah, tũkũheaga notes here and there.
Yes. Especially arĩa maraingĩra siasa the first time.
Na arĩa mekuo.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Na 11 ĩra ndagĩka 40.